Now let's go over how easy it is to use the included RF remote control and how quickly you could be up and running without having to run any power cables or any DMX cables. So I've arrived, or you've arrived to your gig, to your venue, you've set up your totem, and this could be a totem of your choice. It doesn't have to be a truss type totem. In this case, you put the light on your totem, you turn the light on. Once the light's turned on, all you have to do is grab your RF remote control, press the spot button 3 times. Every time you press a button, the LED on the remote control lights up, and you'll notice that once the remote has been paired, the display on the light will say RF in red font. At that point, all you have to do is press the auto button on the remote control. What that's going to do is going to turn the light on in totem mode or built-in show number 1. Number 1 happens to focus its pan and its tilt functions towards the front at all times, left, right, up and down. Functions 3 through 5 also do the same thing. It's only going to change the gobos, the colors that are coming out of the light, and it's only going to change its pan and tilt degrees. Function number 6 is going to take the light and it's going to have it focus more towards the right, the way I have it here now. Now, if I go to preset 7 and 8, what that's going to do is it's going to make the light focus more towards the back. So depending on your choice, depending on where you have it mounted, whether it's on a totem or if it's hanging upside down on a truss. Totem mode number 9 happens to be a 360 function. So that's what the light's going to do. If you need to stop the light or black it out, there's a stop button on the remote control, and that's going to make the light just go back and be on standby. Other features and functions that you can control using the RF remote control happen to be the movement speed. You could slow it down or speed it up depending on your preference. You can also pause the light's movement on any given scene by pressing the dimmer button. Once the light is paused, you can go through the different colors in the color wheel by pressing the preset numbers 1 through 9.